Hi lovely reception children, it's Miss Swan here, ready with another phonics session for you. So for today, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. If you don't have those two things ready for our phonics, can you go and find them now? Lovely, well done superstar. So you should have your paper and your pencil, okay? And you need to find somewhere that is good for you to do your writing, like a table, okay? So I've got my table in front of me and I'm actually going to be holding up my whiteboard because it's easier for you to see, but normally I would do my writing on the table just like you, okay? So I've got my whiteboard, I've got my pen, and the sound we're going to be doing today is this one. Can you remember? Uh. Look at a book. Look at a book. Lovely. So we're going to write words with the sound in. Okay, so Fred Dog's here. Fred Dog's got a word for me. So we are going to say the word out loud. Then we're going to work out how many sounds are in the word. That means we can get ready to write it. So we're going to say it, sound it, write it, and then underline our special friends. Okay, let me show you first, my turn first. Okay, first word. I'm ready, Fred. Are you ready? Are you ready? Fantastic, okay. Shook. Shook. Like the trees shook. Shook. How many sounds in shook? Sh, k, shook. 3 sounds in shook. Okay, I'm ready now, so I'm going to say it, sound it, write it, and then underline my special friends. Okay, shook. Sh, k, shook. I'm going to write it. Sh, sh, k, shook. I'm going to find my special friends. Now in the card, it's got those 2 eyes to help us remember that this is the sound instead of the oo. But when we write it, we don't need to put the dots in them, okay? We just underline them, okay? And then it's that thing of sometimes we just have to practice which does it sound better with, oo or But today, we know that all of the words we're going to write have got the sound in, okay? So let's sound it out, check it together. Sh, k, shook. Fantastic. Now, sh is also a special friend, but I'm just underlining our special friend that we're spotting today, okay? The sound, okay? Right, ready, Fred? Fred has got a word for you. Okay, so your word is look. Look. How many sounds in look? Let's try, let's check. All k, look. How many did you get? 3 sounds in look, so you need 3 Fred fingers. Okay, we're going to say it, sound it, write it, find our special friends. Ready? Look. Sound it out. All k, look. Can you write it for me? Write the word look. Look. Remember, if you forget one of those sounds, just go back to your fingers. All k, look. Fantastic. If you need more time, remember you can pause the video. Okay, my turn. Look. All k, look. All k, look. Underline my special friends. Fantastic. Let's sound it out. Check it together. Tick each sound. Remember, if you make a mistake, do not worry. That's how we learn. Okay, you just fix it for me. Sound it out. All k, look. Fantastic. So remember, we're ticking each sound, not each letter. Brilliant. Okay. Next word, you are doing so well. Your next word is book. Book. How many sounds in book? 3 sounds in book. Show me 3. 3 Fred fingers. Okay, you ready? Book. Sound it out. B-book. Book. Can you write it? Give you a bit of time. Book. Remember, if you get any of those sounds, go back to your fingers. B-book. Book. Amazing. Get my pen ready. Book. B-book. Book. B-book. Book. Special friends. Underline my special friends and sound it out. Let's check together. B-book. Book. Fantastic. Okay, next word. Took. Took. How many sounds in took? T-ook. Took. 3 sounds in took, so you need 3 Fred fingers. Okay, we're going to say it, sound it, write it, underline special friends. You ready? Took. Sound it out. T-ook. Took. Can you write it? Took. T-ook. Took. Amazing. You're doing so well, superstars. Remember, go back to your fingers if you need help with the sounds. Amazing. Okay, my turn. Took. T-ook. Took. Write it. T-ook. Took. And special friends. Let's check it together. T-ook. Took. Amazing. Well done, superstars. Your next word is foot. Foot. How many sounds in foot? 3 sounds in foot, so you need 3 Fred fingers. You ready? Say it, sound it, write it, find the special friends. Off we go. Foot. Sound it out. F-oot. Foot. Can you write it? Foot. Amazing. Don't forget your special friends. Okay, my turn. Foot. F-oot. Foot. F-oot. Foot. Special friends. And we check it together. F-oot. Foot. Brilliant. Remember, if yours looks different to mine, don't worry. That means you're learning. You can fix it now. Well done, superstars. Last word already. Super speedy today. Cook. Cook. How many sounds in cook? Can you find out for me? How many? 3 sounds, so I need 3 Fred fingers. Well done, superstars. Say it, sound it, write it, find those special friends. Ready? Cook. Sound it out. Can you write it for me? Cook. K-ook. Cook. Last word, doing so well, superstars. Maybe you can pause the video if you need a bit more time. Cook. K-ook. Cook. K-ook. Cook. Find my special friends. Lovely. Check it together. K-ook. Cook. Well done, lovely reception children. Okay, so we have been learning words, learning to write words with this sound in. Well done, lovely reception children. Bye.